Hi, I'm Josh Lockheed, Training Evangelist here at QuoteWerks. Today I will be demonstrating how to rehost your QuoteWerks database to SQL. This video assumes that you're running the corporate edition of QuoteWerks, have an active UMP subscription, and are running version 5.5, build 4.04 or higher. The process we will review today can be used to rehost your Access or SQL database to an on-premise SQL server, a cloud-based SQL server like Azure or Amazon RDS, or to the cloud-based Aspire-hosted MS SQL database. If you open QuoteWerks and go to Help, then About, then the System tab, you can check to see which version you are running and the backend database you are currently using. As you can see here, our installation is currently on version 26, build 2.09, and the backend database is Microsoft Access. To rehost your database, click on Utilities, then Rehost Backend. Once in the QuoteWerks Rehost wizard, click on Next to proceed to the rehost. If you have an Aspire-hosted database subscription, you will be asked if you would like to rehost your database, and your tenant account number will be listed. Clicking on Yes will autofill all the information you need to proceed with the rehost. If you would prefer to rehost to an on-premise or cloud-based SQL database, click No, and you will be prompted to input your database information. This includes your server, SQL Server authentication, database name, and database owner. For the purposes of this video, we will be rehosting to an Aspire-hosted database. To do so, click on Next from the Rehost Options window. Click on Next one more time to begin the rehost process. Note that the rehost process can take up to an hour to complete. Once the rehost process is complete, click on Close to exit the QuoteWerks Rehost wizard. QuoteWerks will close, and when you reopen it, you can go to Help, then About, then the System tab. You'll see that the MS SQL database is listed under the backend database, and your database information is listed here as well. If you have questions or would like to learn more about rehosting your database to SQL, please feel free to reference the help files or contact the team at 407-248-1481.